Welcome to our guide on how to set your Facebook page to always show as open. This feature is perfect for businesses and pages that operate around the clock. Let's walk through the steps to make this adjustment. To get started, open the Facebook app and log into your account. Once logged in, tap the menu icon, represented by 3 horizontal lines. Scroll down and select Pages from the menu. Next, switch to the specific page where you want to display as always open by tapping the down arrow next to your profile photo at the top of the screen. Choose the page you wish to switch to. Now, tap on your page's profile picture. Then, click on the edit icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and find the Details section. Tap on Edit next to it. Tap Add Hours, then select Hours from the options. Choose Always Open to indicate that your page is open at all times. Don't forget to tap Save to confirm the changes. Press the back button on your phone to return to the previous screen. Under Basic Info, mark the checkbox for Always Open. Finally, tap Save at the bottom of the screen to save your settings. Congratulations! Your Facebook page is now set to always show as open, ensuring that visitors know you are available around the clock. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in customizing your page's opening hours. Stay tuned for more informative tutorials and tips.